I want to appreciate you for signing up for this course, and I can guarantee you that at the end of this training, value will have been added to your life. We intend that by this training, you are going to progressively move from a beginner's level to a professional level. So permit me to acquaint you with some of the things you are going to be learning in the course of this training. Okay, now let's get going. Module 1, you will be learning elementary designs. Some of the things you need to know for your designs to be perfect. So one of them, you're going to be learning how to make bogus lettering. You must have seen bogus lettering on branded cars, on the printed t-shirt and all of that. So you're going to be learning how to make one. And also you're going to be learning how to use text animations. We use text animations for making introductions, making presentations, even for promotional purposes. So you're going to be learning how to do that. Then the second you are going to be learning under this module 1 is editing background of images. Now there are times you want to do your design and you don't like the image of that design, so you can edit it, you can change the image and then give it something that you will love. So you'll be able to do that in module 1. Then another thing you also be able to do is to be able to do 3D book cover mockup. Well, let's say you have a book or somebody has written a book and he wants to do a mockup of that book, you'll be able to help with that. And that is what we are going to cover in module 1. Now in module 2, you are going to be learning how to use Poster My Wall. This is a graphic design app, and I use this a lot and I also recommend it for 3 reasons. One, if you want a quick design, something that you just pick a beautiful template and then you edit it and then customize it to your taste, you can use Poster My Wall. Then another reason why you can also use Poster My Wall is if you are trying to practice your graphic design skills. You can search out for beautiful templates on flyers, banners on this site, and then you use it to practice. Then another beautiful reasons why you can also use this Poster My Wall is if you want to design from scratch. You have a flyer you want to make from scratch, you can also use this Poster My Wall. It's both a site and an app, a beautiful one at that, so you can do that. So with this one, we're going to be using in module 2, we're going to be learning how the principle of graphic designs, the 8 principles of graphic designs, and then we're also going to be learning how to use this app or design to customize our designs for quick design, and also to be able to design from scratch using this app or site. Now when we get to module 3, we are going to be introduced to another app, which is Canva. Canva is a very, very good app, in fact well recognized all over the world for graphic design. And in this module, we are going to be learning the do's and don'ts of Canvas. And then number 2, we are going to be learning how to explore this Canva app. We are going to be showing you the features and how to apply them. Then we are also going to be using it to design a brand flyer. We're going to be using it to design a brand flyer. So in module 3, we are going to be using Canva to design a brand flyer. Then we go to module 4. Now in module 4, you'll be introduced again to another beautiful and professional graphic design app, which is called Pixellab. So with Pixellab, we are going to be exploring the features in Pixellab, and you are going to be seeing how Pixellab is a bit different from the other apps that I have introduced earlier. And then on this module, we're also going to be learning how to design just a simple happy new month flyer. And then we also learn how to design a laundry flyer. That's a brand flyer. And then we also learn how to design, using this Pixel Lab, a fashion flyer for a brand. A fashion flyer for a fashion brand. And also, we are going to also be using it to make a flyer for a photography brand. And finally, we'll be using this app to make a calendar for a brand, on this module. Then going to the next module, which is module 5, you will be introduced to a site, a graphic design site called Render Forest. And with Render Forest, you can make a whole lot of graphic designs with Render Forest. You can make logo, both 2D and 3D. You can make website. You can do a mock-up. You can make animations of different kinds and all of that. So all of this is what you can find in this website. So in module 5, we are going to be using this site to make both 2 and 3D logo. And you will also be exposed in module 5 to the types of logo we have, about 7 of them, which you are going to be exposed to. All right. Now from module 5, we'll move to module 6, where you are going to be learning how to make 3D logos with Pixel Lab. I'm sure you are by now you will be familiar with Pixel Lab, and then you will be able to know how to use it. And so this time around, we are using it to make logo, 3D logo. So in this module, you will be exposed to how to design amazing letter logo. You also learn how to design an icon logo. Then you will also learn how to design a 3D logo for a laundry firm. Now, moving away from there, we go to module 7, where we are going to be learning how to apply effects. In our graphic design, there are a lot of effects that we can apply that will make our graphic design to be wow. So we are going to be learning that. First of all, we are going to be learning how to apply perspective. You must have seen perspective as one of the features in the Pixel Lab app. So we'll be learning how to apply it to make a flyer. Then number 2, we are also going to be learning how to create a transparent text on an image. We're going to be learning that. Then number 3, we'll be learning how to blend image to background. And number 4, we'll be learning how to create a power clipping effect of an image. Number 5, we'll learn about color gradient effect. Number 6, we'll make a round sticker that you can use at any time. Then number 7, we're going to be learning how to make a curved rectangle. That it will look like as if you just mocked it up, and it's going to be very beautiful. Then in the next module, which is module 8, we're going to be learning how to make money from this graphic design skill. So I'll be showing you 7 ways of making money from these skills that you have learned, and that is what we are going to dwell on in that module. Then coming to this, you are going to be learning. You are going to be having free premium resources. You have access to free premium resources. One of the ways of becoming a unique graphic designer is to have resources at your disposal, high premium resources. And so you are going to be entitled to some of these high premium resources courtesy of DigiSmart. Then after that, you are going to be coming to the end of the program, and so we will require feedback from you. So we would employ you that you drop a few lines sharing with us your thought and your experience in the course of the training. And lastly, after you have successfully passed the test, because you will be awarded about 3 tests at the end of the training, and then if you have scored above 50%, and you submit within the deadline, you are going to be given a certificate for free. And this is how the entire training will run. I'm sure you are super excited already. So stay tuned.